What a waste fellows. Ready for correction, huh? No, never. I'm going home. Bye. అదే అదే ఉంటది నీకు నువ్వే కదా ఫస్ట్ సార్ ఓకే ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ అట్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈస్ అనకొండ అనకొండ ఈజ్ అనకొండ వెరీ నైస్ కొండ అండ్ అనకొండ కెన్ బి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 8 పార్ట్స్ తిరుమల కొండలాగా 8 పార్ట్లలాగా ఎందుకు డివైడ్ చేసావు ఎనీవేస్ వెరీ నైస్ కొండ it seems కొండ ana is anaconda anaconda is anaconda I don't know what to do with you. Honestly, I don't know what to do with you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Sir, give at least some marks, sir. Pass marks at least. Pass mark.
Shut up, Ray, you waste
Okay,
fellow.
sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Continue, sir. Please. What some marks? I'll not even give you 0.00001 mark. Also, I'll not give you. Get lost. Next up on our list, Jai Mahishmati Dhinchak. Who is that? Who is this rare?
Yes, sir, it's me.
Surabhi, that is you. What happened to you? Why? And anyways, why did you get 69 out of 100 only in science? Specifically, why only in science?
Mauli, what are you doing? Now yours only.
Hi, sir. I feel bored.
I asked you what is calculus.
Sir, I want to say two things. Number one, I really don't think that this question is from our question paper. I think you are asking me some 11th or 12th grade question. And number two is that I really don't know what is this. Yeah, what was that? Yeah, what was that
What?
Karamusa that Bandafat Mutu was talking about? Now, what is this calculus, sir?
Huh? You don't know what is Karapusa?
How?
What am I asking? Hey, calculus you don't know? Waste fellow. And I'm asking correct question only. This is from only 12th grade.
What? Then, sir, please ask a 12th grader this question. Please don't ask me.
Anyways, coming back to the question, paper, whatever that is. If you have any doubts why I asked you that, because nobody knows the answer. Anyways, coming back to the question paper, why are you making me shout? Molly, you are given a question. What is betrayal? What did you rate? Why did Kattappa kill Bahubali, it seems? I'm asking you question, you are asking me back question? Question? No answer. Question, no answer, it seems. Get lost.
Sir, anyways, I wrote that answer because that was an example of betrayal, and I even had a dream that you would ask me a 12th grade question.
నువ్వేం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు నీకు అర్థమవుతుందా I still don't know who this kid is. But I'll ask him, I'll do correction to his paper anyways.
Is it my turn?
Hey, this fellow fell down already. Arey, what the hell?
I tricked you.
Huh? Why did you do that? Okay, nice.
Zebra.
What? Like that only you wrote in your question paper also. I asked you what is Zellerman's theory. You wrote that you are a zebra. In you bunch of losers, there was only one person who got 100 out of 100. Oh my You know who God. That is? Gaming Amog.
Ah, yes, sir.
Shut up. I know, I'm telling no. Waste fella. Now coming back. That guy is there, no, Gaming Amog. He used the most advanced method of cheating. He downloaded the PDF of the key of the question paper in his MI band and started copying. I don't know whether I should be proud or angry on that fellow. But to expel him, we need a powerful evidence because he topped the entire classroom and the school. So we cannot expel him yet. Until then,
From
we'll
15
see you.
minutes,
Bye.
this guy is blabbering and all, and
I'll
I'm
get
not
you
able to
in the next
understand even
semester
a single
exams.
thing. And I'm the intruder from the past exam. and I'm back with another news and a little more resourceful. And you know what that is? Every 365 days passes a year in India.